Hi everyone, this is Middle Class Trader. Today I'll be talking about four stocks that look good at the current market price in the current market. So without further ado, let's start. The first stock in my radar is Naukri.com. Naukri.com had interestingly formed cup and handle pattern. So here if we see cup and handle, this is the cup, this was the handle, and the entry was at current market price on 23rd August 2021, and it gave over 30% return from this price after forming cup and handle. It's around 30% from this price from 5,634. It had given around 30%. So the stock has corrected 25% from the recent highs. And divide your Naukri.com investment into three parts. At the current market price, you can buy the first part of your three-part investment, and the second part you can buy around these levels, 5,000, 5,100 levels, and the last part, I don't know if Nokia.com will dip until 4,800 levels, but if it comes, you can complete your three-part investment into Nokia.com. The first part of a three-part investment is at current market price. Next trade is at 5,200 and 5,100, and the final part is at 4,800. So Naukri.com is also in the news because it's probably going to be included in the index Nifty 50, replacing Indian Oil Company. Another company that's in contention is Apollo Hospitals, and if Apollo Hospitals doesn't make it to Nifty 50, Naukri.com will certainly make it. So this can give you around 30 to 25% returns in 1 year from this point. Coming to next stock, this is this is stock that has given almost 0% returns in the last 1 year. As you can see in the chart, let's go to 6 December 2020. 6 December 2020, it closed at 1372 and now it's at 1504.7. So almost like it has given just 8 to 9%. So this is the time for the HDFC Bank to move, and even index will move very well if HDFC Bank moves. So if we draw the trend line for HDFC Bank, it's at decent support right now. So it's good time to start accumulating HDFC Bank. On the charts, it hasn't moved much. It has been kind of range bound. It has consolidated. So now it's time for HDFC Bank to give a breakout, and you can expect around 25% returns in this stock too in 1 year. So my target for this stock is 1,900 to 1,950 before December 2022. So start accumulating HDFC Bank. Divide your investment into five parts for HDFC Bank. Stock number three is ICICI Bank. I have already drawn the trend line for this. So the last time corona hit us, that was during the second wave, around February, you can see the chart pattern similar to the chart pattern that we are seeing in ICICI Bank right now. It had gone up significantly in 2 to 3 weeks from 1st February to 15th February, and then came down back to the levels that we saw on 29th January 2021. So same thing has happened here too. October 14 to October 22, it has gone around 20%. It had gone around 20%. It had given 20% in just 5 or 4 trading sessions. So after that, it has come significantly down and has corrected from has given a correction move of 18% in 2 months. So the same pattern I am expecting to be continued in ICICI Bank. It's the results of ICICI Bank has been extremely good, and everyone is still positive about this bank because of their results and their balance sheet. Technically, it's at support. It's a good time to buy ICICI Bank too. So these are the supports: 690, 674, and then 645. So even your ICICI Bank investment can be divided into three parts: buy now, buy the first part now, and then buy the second part of your investment if it comes to 690 levels, and then the third part at 675 levels. So the last stock that we are going to talk about today is Hindustan Unilever. Even this stock can give you around 25% in 6 months. So this has even HUL has corrected around 20% in the last 3 months. Technically, fundamentally, there is no problem in the HUL except for inflation. They have hiked some of their products to combat inflation, and yes, they are the market leaders all in FMCG sector, and there is no reason to not invest in HUL. Even in the trend line, you can see that it's at support, so it's a great price to buy HUL at. So that's it for this video. In December 2022, I'll be making a separate video on this particular video of how these calls have performed. If any call, if any educational review that I have posted in this video has not gone well, I'll be talking about it. And also if something has hit its target, I'll be talking about it too. May the candles be with you.